In this segment, we'll learn about ticket workflow for time-based actions. Go to the Automation section in Settings and click on Ticket Workflow. Here you can see the existing workflow rules. Click on Add New Rule to create a new rule. Enter a rule name, choose Time-based action for the trigger and continue. Here you can add the conditions for which the rule will be triggered. You can choose time-based fields while creating time-based workflow rules. For example, here we are using time since updated. Now choose some actions. Choose the property of the ticket to be updated with some value. To edit a rule, click on the Edit button corresponding to the rule. Time-based rules will run every hour in the background and check the open tickets for matching conditions to apply the actions. To delete a rule, click on the Delete button corresponding to the rule.